In this branch of especially healthcare influencer where you're talking about health, when you thought of becoming an influencer or directly आपने सोचा कि health influence करेंगे या ऐसी जर्नी अपने आप हो गई?
I was indifferent कि मैं क्या feel करूँ. It all happened without any plan, and my ego got hurt just like Jaykant Shikre.
जयकांत शिकरे का ईगो हर्ट नहीं करने का था।
That how can you say this? I wanted to tell people that I lost weight in a process and it's not a Photoshop. I made a video and put it on YouTube and it went viral.
हम लोग आपकी रील्स देखते रहते हैं एंड यू हैव बीन सो फेमस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, सो ज़्यादा इंट्रोडक्शन देने की मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है लोगों के लिए. बट इन दिस ब्रांच ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसर, स्पेशली हेल्थ केयर इन्फ्लुएंसर वेयर आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हेल्थ, सो आप व्हेन डिड यू स्टार्ट, व्हेन यू थॉट ऑफ बिकमिंग एन इन्फ्लुएंसर और डायरेक्टली आपने सोचा कि हेल्थ इन्फ्लुएंस करेंगे या ऐसी जर्नी अपने आप हो गई?
So I always say this, that I don't plan anything in life. I just so the thing was that I was doing my MBA and I was overweight. और उसके बाद ये था that I did my MBA from Nirma University.
Okay.
And once I got almost done with my MBA, तो आपको पता ही होगा कि प्लेसमेंट सीजन आती है.
Correct, हाँ.
और प्लेसमेंट्स में आप ऑफ कोर्स यू विल गेट अ जॉब which is not in Ahmedabad, most probably.
Yes.
So I was very greedy to be with my parents, and I never wanted to leave Ahmedabad or my parents. So I opted out of placement.
Okay.
And I was the only student from my batch, okay, who opted out of placement. So every day mail आती थी, Sapna Vyas opted out of placement. Everybody would either laugh because they got the placement at some nice place,
Yes.
or some people would be sad and crying that यार मेरा मिस हो गया. और I was indifferent कि मैं क्या feel करूँ. I am nowhere to feel sad or happy. And then I felt कि यार कुछ नहीं करी हूँ तो चलो कुछ तो कर लेते हैं.
अच्छा, that is how it started.
Yes.
Okay.
So I lost weight.
Okay.
And it all happened without any plan, because I was I've said this a lot of times, but I'm repeating that I was with my niece. My brother और मेरे में age gap बहुत है.
Okay.
So my niece was already 3-4 when I was in college. So 3-4 or more, because I was 15, I guess, when she was in
Born.
this world. Yeah.
Oh, 15 साल का डिफरेंस है. Nice.
So मैं उसके साथ थी, and somebody said that your daughter is very cute. And my ego got hurt just like Jaykant Shikre, that how can you say this?
Oh, okay.
She is my niece. And then I felt यार कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. At least I should look age appropriate, if nothing else.
Okay.
So with that I started reducing a little bit, and then once I started dropping weight, I felt कि it's not just for your external looks, but it makes you disciplined, it makes you consistent, and of course makes you healthier.
Right.
तो that is a little why I started. Then ये बहुत चल रहा था कि ads आते हैं कि before after. So they will put a fat person and then a very thin person, right? So I wanted to tell people that I lost weight in a process and it's not a Photoshop that पहले का picture और fake है और नया picture ये है.
Yes.
So just to get that authenticity and to show, because मैंने जब weight loss किया तो I only had people like Kareena or some other people who had lost weight, who are sports person or film stars,
Right.
but not a common person that I would know of.
Correct.
तो मुझे ये था कि जैसे मैंने weight loss किया, which means anybody with limited resources or who's not so such glamour field or such field, वो भी weight loss कर सकता है. So to show that, I made a video and put it on YouTube and it went viral. And I'm an accidental influencer, to be precise, because मेरा कोई ये गोल नहीं था कि मुझे ये फील्ड में जाना
Field में जाना है.
या मैं, and frankly we all are influencers at our own levels. Your decisions influence your family. My decisions or what I portray might reach a larger
Correct.
audience.
Correct.
But we all are influencers. So मुझे लगा कि मैं share करूँ, and that's how and when I lost weight I was not qualified. I just like a guinea pig, I tried and lost weight.
जो आपने जो घर के नुस्खे होते
हाँ,
हैं.
पहले वही फेमस गुजराती, आपको पता है कि नहीं, आई डोंट नो, बट गुजराती में बहुत फेमस डाइट है खाखरा डाइट एंड ममरा डाइट. Whoever wants to reduce weight stops eating fruits and stops eating everything everything and just eats खाखरा, thinking it's some miracle food के weight loss हो जाएगा. तो मैंने भी वो सुन के लोगों का I started with that. But हुआ ये कि उससे weight loss हुआ, but lifelong तो you cannot survive on roti.
Sustainable तो नहीं है.
What is खाखरा? Basically something like a roti, right? तो वो तो possible नहीं है. तो फिर मैंने खाना थोड़ा शुरू किया.
Okay.
And my weight bounced back.
Oh.
Then I felt कि कैसे करूँ? So slowly, gradually I lost weight.
Okay.
But when people started asking me after I lost weight, तो I felt कि it's my duty कि मैं qualification लेके लोगों को बताऊँ. Because मैं trial and error करके मैंने कर लिया.
ठीक है.
But that would not be right. You know, morally it's incorrect.
Yeah, ethically it is not that.
तो फिर मैंने I got qualified and then I entered the field. Initially I was helping a lot of people for free. But then I felt कि अच्छा इसमें पैसा भी है.
So slowly discover the whole stream. क्योंकि जब when you started 2012 it is way back.
Yes.
मुझे तो उस समय तक ये भी नहीं पता था कि Instagram, YouTube का इतना influence भी है. Never thought about that. So उस समय से start करना itself
it was unplanned. Honestly,
yeah,
it just happened. And since then I've been trying to reach people and connect with people in an authentic way.
Yeah.
I want people to understand that health coaches are not magicians. तो वो मेरे पास कोई miracle नहीं है. And I always try to give authentic information.
Correct.
Because आज के ज़माने में वो बहुत rare है.
Yes.
People will show you चांद तारे.
Correct.
But वो
ऐसा
real नहीं होता.
Right.